how to book rides or bike trips using Opay. Now, if you're looking to book rides or bike trips, just click on more and you search for Oka. So just search for Oka. If you don't see that, try Trek. If you don't see that, try ride. Now, if you don't see those, here's the thing. A few years back, Opay actually had its own ride-hailing features built in. Ride for bikes, Trek for tricycles, and Oka for regular rides. But as of now, you can check the app directly. None of them show up anymore. This is likely tied to Lagos State's restrictions on commercial motorcycles in a lot of areas starting around 2020, which affected bike-hailing services abroad. Which affected bike-hailing services broadly. So if you're looking to book a ride today, Opay isn't your tool for that anymore. You would want to use a dedicated ride-hailing app like Bolt or Uber instead. Thanks for watching.